Well, so if you have one of these Toro recycler mowers, the engine that's on it doesn't matter, and really how new it is doesn't matter because they all have these. But if you have these wheel covers and they're starting to get worn out and brittle, it's time to replace them. As more often than not, these things just get destroyed, they get cracked. This one's actually got a hole in it right here already, and you can see where it's damaged up here. So it's time to change them out. These are cheap on Amazon, links in the description. 15 bucks at the time of this video. What I'm gonna do is just tip the back end of this mower, or tip the front end. Just like this. And then we'll get to removing the front wheel. So all it comes with is just the cover and then the new washer. So what you do on this particular mower, it's a 1/2 inch bolt. Just gonna remove that. And then you'll see, not only are we missing the washer, but this is completely worn out here. It needs to be changed. But in order to get this off, you're gonna have to pull off this retainer clip, which these can be kind of annoying, but all you gotta do is just get a flathead screwdriver in there, cup your hand underneath, and then typically you can pull them right out. So what you're gonna do here is, just like I said, just pull this clip off. Don't wanna lose it, of course. But then you just pull off this washer here, pull off the gear, pull off that, and then you'll see that this actually fell down. And there is a important part of this. You'll see that on this keyway there's a spring that's inside here. You don't want to lose that because that is how this key works. So we'll just stick that back in just for now so we don't lose it. You'll see that this washer is supposed to go here, but how you install this is just like this. You're going to kind of have to hold it in place when you get everything back on. And that's working as advertised. And you just grab your washer. As well as the retainer clip. There we go. Still working good. So now just to put the wheel back on. Accidentally put this gear back on the wrong way at first. It's fine now. Put them on so they rotate and then lock like that. But you can hear the click from this little guy. So it does what it's supposed to do. Moves forward. So let's go ahead and get this reinstalled. Be right back. That's it. This side's done. That side's done. Here's the old pieces. Like I said, this one is on the right side, and it's pretty well done for. Let's take it outside and try it out. I haven't started this thing since last weekend, so we'll give it a few primes. Well, I'm happy with that. Self-propel works fine. been enough. If you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more.